just love a natural face, like quite literally like this. When I do decide to put any type of makeup on, it's literally just my eyebrows, a bit mascara, or popping some of these bad boys on, depending on what look I'm going for. So yeah, that's me really, you know. Love my buns. If you know me, you know I love a bun. Let's just get into it. Let me just show you. I'm ready to wash. Okay. Really? I can't do anything about getting myself dirty somehow. I need to apply my moisturizer. A pea-sized amount. Rub that to my hands. I've got very long hair. Oh shit. It's not cooperating today. I like to just do a low pony. That's today's look. 10 hours later, after putting all my hair through, there we go. I bought this eyebrow kit and I actually love it. So it comes with, I took the other one out, but it comes with a stencil. This stencil is amazing because it really helps. This is the natural one. So the other one is a thin one. This will show you. Okay. Get my powder. Dab it off. Pop your pencil on like so. See what I mean? It's the little things. It's the little things in life that I love. Okay. This side. That is literally me done with the brows. If I am going out, I do my makeup. I'm not going anywhere. So guys, for today, I'm going to be putting on my Lash London lashes. This is in the style LL03. They are stunning. I love them. I also love this box. Let's get started. So with your magic liner pen, This is our self-adhesive. I'm gonna want to shake it. This literally is amazing. I love it. It takes seconds for it to dry. Lovely lashes. That they just stick straight away. So here we come. Coming off, guys, and this is exactly why I love them. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you all soon.